144 equals
228, 288.
Why did it have to be
compound numbers?
I don't want any number block to be any despicable compound.
Not to worry, 203 and 1. 21 says, it's easier to think of big numbers as two numbers together. Well, what else I could be?
Double 144. You can put 6 times 144.
Hello. Triple 96s.
Epic speedy twaddle the 7 twos.
648s. 12 times 6 and 6 times 48.
Gasp, you've figured yourself out.
I am 288. And I am a super rectangle. Simply, I am double 144, and I love to be a DJ.
Wow.
Get ready. Here comes something bigger. 288
plus 72 equals 500.
76. Are you ok?
How many times do CBPs have to make compound numbers? How many times?
This is age of 4. Step squat. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8.
9,
10,
11,
12.
13,
I am 576 and I